Hello everyone, today I'm in Kargicak region of Alanya and showing you a new portfolio which is just next to the beach. Two-bedroom apartments with full furniture and full facilities. So you can check out the views and slowly we will go and see all the facilities which are included in this apartment. Same time there is one small cat also. As you see the facilities, so at the same time we have another door which is directly going to the beach, so there is no need to turn around. So this is small place which everyone can use it. So now we are going to, this is A block and our apartment is in B block. You can see the green area and all that. This is a small place for children to play. At the same time there is place for making barbecue, and also we have over there a generator if there is electricity is gone, so it will be automatically on, so residents can use also these facilities. This is the B block where all facilities and all are located, and here is sitting area, small places and beautiful garden with flowers, and you can check it out. So there is our fitness place, beautiful green area, and also on this side we have apartment entrance. And here I just want to show you the road and also parking area. So backside there is a few places for having parking area, and also you can put it on the road. And this is sea view. For another block there is separate place which people can come and they can put their own cars and all. So there is also a small like indoor garage also. Now we are going inside building and I will show you the facilities over there too. As you see, this is the entrance of building. So we have over here table tennis and also a sitting area with TV, and this side we have elevators and also stairs, and this is the fitness area. It's facility area, so inside there is bathrooms and places to take shower. This is our sauna, and as you can see it's active, and also this is our Turkish hamam, which is also active. So this is our apartment. In each floor there is 4 apartments, as you can see. 2 apartments this side, and we have stairs over here, and this is our apartment, which is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 balconies and full furniture. So if someone is buying this apartment, so you don't need to think about furniture and all that, because everything is ready. And this is the bathroom, this bathroom, you can check it out. This we are calling master bedroom, and as you can see we have two balconies over here. One big balcony is over here with amazing view. From here you have full view of Alanya Castle and also sea view, and it's like reasonable balcony. It's around 8 square meter, and it's the bedroom. And also this side we have a small French balcony, which you can have and you can open it and you can store some things on here. This is the bathroom. For master bedroom, this is the bathroom. As you can see that most of the places they are open the air conditioned machines, but for this project they have made it a special place for each machine, so there will be no bad view from outside of the bathroom. And this is the living area. As you can see, it's amazing view with beautiful furniture, and from here you can have direct this is the second balcony. It's around 12 square meter. Even from here you have amazing view. Beautiful mountains you have, and directly you have Alanya Castle view, sea view. And this is the view which will be not close, so it will be the same.